Okay. Can you make a pumpkin? And can you make a ghost? Push hard. Okay.
Hey! I like it. Yummy!
Is it good?
Oh, hey, this is a big orange cookie! Oh.
Just little bit.
Yum,
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hold on, kiddo. We gotta live. Okay. What does that look like? A pumpkin. And what's this one?
Ghost.
A ghost. And what's that one?
That cookie.
Okay, another, what's this one?
Ghost.
A ghost. Okay. Should we make more? Should we make more cookies? Yeah, we're gonna roll it up. Do you wanna help?